Good morning students. Today we study chapter 4 multiplication. In previous class we discussed some points in properties of multiplication. Today also we discuss the properties of multiplication. First, properties of multiplication, ordering property. First, ordering property. Ordering property. In a ordering property, we change the number in any order. In a ordering property, we change the number in any order. The result is not change. The result is not change. That property is called ordering property. For example, 7 multiply 5. 7, first I write 7, 7 5 ja 35, okay, then 5 7 ja, 5 7 ja, then now I write 5 in first, then 7 second, 5 7 ja 35. This order is changed, but the result is same. That property is called ordering property. The property is called ordering property. Understand? Again, 15 multiply 4. 15 4 ja 60. Okay. Then 4 multiply 15 is equal to. Then I write 4 in first. Then 15 write in second. Then what is your answer? 4 15 ja 60. Understand? In which property is this? Ordering property. Then now fill in the blanks. 4 into 3 is equal to 3 into dash. Which number write here you? Which number write here? 4. The order is changed, but the result is not change. That property is called ordering property. Second, grouping property. Second property is grouping property. Grouping property. In a grouping property, we change the order in any group. We change the group in any order. The result is not change. We change the group in any order. The result is not change. That property is called grouping property. 2 or more numbers we change. Then first, for example, 5 into 6 into 7. Here 5 and 6 I group first. Then 5 6 ja 30. 30 multiply 7 is equal to, you multiply 210. Okay. First I change this 5 and 6 in one group. Then this 5 6 ja 30. Then multiply by 7. Our answer is 210. Next, 5 multiply. Then I group 6 multiply 7. I change this group. Then 5 multiply 6 7 ja 42. Okay. Then 42 multiply 5 is equal to 210. Understand? Then again I change 7 multiply 5. Then multiply by 6. 7 5 ja 35. then multiply 6 is equal to 210. Look here, I change in 3 group. Okay, first I change 5 multiply 6. The final answer is 210. Then I change, the group is 6 multiply 7. Then the final answer is 210. Then 7 multiply 5. The final answer is also 210. This property is called grouping property. 3 or more numbers grouped in any order, the final result is not changed. That property is called ordering property. That property is called ordering property. Next, property of 1. In previous class we also discussed this property of 1. In a property of 1, we multiplied by any number by 1. The result is the number itself. The result is the number itself. Yes, 125 multiply 1 is equal to 125. Understand? Then property of 0. We multiply any number by 0. The result is 0. The result is 0. 125 multiply 0 is equal to 0. Understand property? First property, ordering property. Second property, grouping property. Third property, property of 1. Then fourth property, property of 0. Now we multiply by 1 digit number. (423) multiply 4. 1 digit number. We start with ones place. We start with ones place. Don't in 100 place. Here ones times 100 place. We start with ones place, that is right hand side of our work. Listen. Then 4 3 ja. 4 ki table. The table of 4, how many times you tell? 3 times. Okay. Then 4 3 ja. 4 3 ja 12. Carrying 1. Then 4 2 ja. 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 1 9. Then 4 4 ja. 4 4 ja 16. Here there is no number here, digit here. Therefore you write whole 16. Understand? One more question. Okay. 520 multiply 5. We start with in ones place. We start with ones place. 5 0 ja. 5 0 ja 0. Then 5 2 ja 10. Carrying 1. 5 5 ja 25. 25 plus 1 26. Understand? One more question. Yes. 4328 multiply 8. 8 8 ja 64. 4. Then carrying 6. Then 8 2 ja 16. 16 plus 6 22. Carrying 2. 8 3 ja 8 3 ja 24. 24 plus 26. Carrying 2. 8 4 ja 32. 32 plus 2 34. Understand? Multiplication by one digit or a digit or a digit. Understand? You learn the table up to 15. You learn the tables, then you do this question in note. This in first question number 1 A to I in book. You fill in book. Question number 2 A to F in notebook of exercise 4.4. Okay, thank you.